Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some proper news. Now, you all know that we have a case that is in South African people's minds at the moment. Not saying which others are not important, but this also is one of the pandemics that we have in South Africa. But MTN News reported breaking news: suspect in Olorato Mongale killed in police shot out in Amazimtoti KZN. Hooray, hooray. In a dramatic early morning operation this morning, May the 30th, the main suspect in the murder of Johannesburg student Olorato Mongale was fatally shot during a police raid in Amazimtoti, KwaZulu-Natal. The confrontation unfolded at a flat where the suspect was hiding, escalating into a deadly shootout when he opened fire on approaching officers. Okay. According to the police reports, the operation was launched based on intelligence tracking the suspect's location. Stupid. I wonder why phone, but nonetheless, he's a thief, he's a thug, he's a scumbag, he needs to be caught. Officers moved in at around 5 a.m., but the suspect resisted, prompting police to return fire, resulting in his death. KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi General is currently at the scene, overseeing investigation as authorities work to piece together the events. The suspect was wanted in connection with the brutal unaliving of a 30-year-old Olorato Mongale, a case that has gripped the nation. Two other suspects, Fezile Ngubane and Bongani Mtimkulu, remain at large and are considered dangerous. Guys, siphena ithombe zakabongani no Fezile sizitrendise sabona iPoppy Act after akuthi abatrend iPoppy Act nje sizayibona after. Then they continue to say police have urged the public to provide any information on their whereabouts. Direction tips to Brigade Edwin Nama at 082 778 9035. I'm going to repeat it: 082 778 9035. Guys, let us fight for Olorato. This girl did nothing but go on a date with a guy, and this is not irresponsible in any way, shape, or form, because we all started with people that we didn't know and eventually married them. So let us do justice, sifune the two other scumbags, and report them accordingly. Please do like, share, and subscribe.